Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys a few simple tips and tricks that will help you make your iPhone louder. Whether you're using the speakers of your iPhone or your headphones, there are a few simple things that you can do in order to make sure that you get the best and the highest volume out of your iPhone. All you have to do is just follow these simple tips and tricks and you're sure that you will get more volume and in a safer way that won't risk the speakers of your iPhone. Now, when it comes to getting the best and the highest volume out of your iPhone, the first thing before you try to do anything software-wise, the first thing you want to make sure is that you have clean speakers on your iPhone. Especially if you have the device for a longer time, it will probably have some dust and some stuff on the speakers. So you want to make sure that you regularly clean the speakers of your iPhone. Now, the safest and the best way to do it is by using a brush, but make sure that it's actually very soft. Like this one right here, you can see it's very soft, and in no way this will harm any of the speakers on the iPhone. Now, the way to do it, the way I practice it, and I think it works the best and it's the safest, is simply by pointing the brush right here to the speaker. So you will have a speaker at the bottom and of course one at the top here. So all you want to do is make sure that you have the speaker of your iPhone facing downwards like this, and then just make sure you scrub like this gently, of course, and you want to have again a soft brush, and that way you'll make sure that all the dust and everything that the speaker has collected will come out and of course will actually fall out. You can do the same here with the top speaker, of course, if you have an iPhone that has a top speaker as well, and that way you make sure that you have clean speakers on your iPhone and you get the most volume possible. And now let's talk software. What are some things that you can do in order to make sure that you get more volume out of the device? So one thing that makes me really love Spotify is this setting that I'm about to show you guys right here. It has other amazing settings that I really love, like the ability to clear the cached files. That's an amazing one that I believe every app on iOS should have, but this one right here is pretty cool. So you go to the settings on Spotify and you will have right here playback. You go to playback and here's what you have: volume level. So you will have normal, quiet, and loud. If you want to get more sound out of your iPhone, you can choose the loud option. That way you make sure that you get the most volume out of your iPhone, of course, when you're listening to music using Spotify. I know a lot of users use Spotify, so this is a great option to quickly turn up the volume of your iPhone. Now, of course, if you use Apple Music and for other things iOS wide, when you apply this setting on Apple Music, it will apply to everything on iOS. You can actually here change the EQ. So you go to music and you go to EQ right here. And for a long time, it has been believed that late night will actually increase the volume of the device, and it actually does. Not just for the music app, but system-wide, you will have basically a louder sound on your iPhone. You can also use here these options to actually, you can see right here, vocal booster. If you want to boost the vocals, you can do that right there. So either this one or late night, whichever one of these options you choose, you will actually have more sound on your iPhone. And last but not least, there are third-party apps that you can actually use to make sure that you get more sound out of your iPhone. Now, here are a few of those that you can find on the App Store. I'm not really recommending any of these in specific because I think it's very high risk when you're using these kind of apps. So if you just turn off the volume all the way up, a lot of apps will offer like 200 or 300% volume. That might damage the speakers of your iPhone if you keep it up for a long time. That might be dangerous for the speakers of your iPhone. So they actually do work. You connect them with Apple Music or Spotify, whatever they offer, but you will have to actually be very careful when using any of those apps because they might damage the speakers of your iPhone. And now that we're done with the iPhone speakers, let's move to headphones. Now, when it comes to headphones, you actually have more options to control the volume that you get on your headphones. But always you have to be very careful when using headphones because you might damage your ears and you don't want to listen for music at a very high volume for a long time. So first of all, if you have your headphones and you want to make sure that you have the maximum volume from your iPhone, what you can do is go to Sounds and Haptics, and here we'll have Headphone Safety. Now this is a feature that was designed to basically protect your ears from really high volumes on your headphones. You turn it on here, so if you have it turned on your device, what you can do is adjust the slider right here. So you can see it's from 75 decibels up to 100. So this will limit the volume that you get on your headphones. So if you think your headphones are really quiet, then you can just go ahead and increase this to any of the decibels you want, or you can completely turn it off if you don't want to use that feature. That way you will get the maximum volume on your headphones, but you might risk damaging your ears. And if you have AirPods, then you will have a bunch of different options you can configure, from accessibility to actually get more volume and customize the volume that you get on your headphones. So you go under accessibility here and you will have your AirPods, and what you can do here is tap on audio accessibility settings, and this will allow you to maybe change right here the balance, or maybe go to headphone accommodations right here and you can enable it from here. What you can do is tune your audio, so based on your preferences you can choose a balance tone, brightness, or vocal range, and right here you will have soft sounds will be boosted. You can see right here you can boost these soft sounds using this slider. So whatever you prefer, whether you want it slightly moderate or strong, you can set it up with the slider right here, and you can also choose where you want to apply it, whether you want to apply it for your phone or for your media or for both of them, so phone calls or the media that you play on your iPhone. You can also have a custom audio setup right there, so if you tap there and tap on continue, you can add an audiogram if you want to, or tap on not, and from here you can connect your headphones to actually customize the sounds that you get out of your headphones. Now this is a really amazing feature, of course maybe for more advanced users, but if you want to try it out you can, and this way you can choose how you basically customize the sound that you get out of your headphones. So that is it for this video, guys. These are a few simple tips and tricks that will help you increase the volume of your iPhone and headphones as well. So always make sure when you're using any tips or tricks to increase the volume of your device, always make sure that it's safe, because it might damage the speakers of your iPhone. And of course, when using headphones, always make sure that you don't use the volume all the way up for a long time, because that can be dangerous as well. So first of all, take care of your ears, of course, and the speakers of the iPhone, because turning up the volume all the way up and increasing it a lot and keeping it for a long time might damage those. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, and of course you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and of course hit the like button, as it helps out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video.